Surprise Squad is sponsored by United Nissan, America First Credit Union, Albertsons, and Vons.
He used to tour the country doing pyrotechnics for Van Halen. But when this local senior's AC went out during the hottest summer on record, it brought in summer nights he did not want to be a part of.
But relief finally came when a community partner, the FOX5 Surprise Squad, showed up at his door, and now he's no longer running with the devil.
You know, being out in Vegas, AC and water is the main thing we need.
Goettl Air Conditioning and Plumbing actually reached out to us to tag along while they help a local neighbor in need.
So it's this compressor, condenser fan motor, and a couple other stuff. Big items that need to be swapped out. And so, you know, I just want to be able to take care of them today.
All right, well, I think we're ready to go. Let's go meet John. Hey, are you John? All right, I'm Nicole Reynolds at the FOX5 Surprise Squad. How are you?
Surprised.
Surprised?
Been a pretty bad year. Air conditioning went out and then my water main broke, so I've been going through the summer pretty hot. The unit's 3 years old. I called them up and said, hey, how about the warranty? And they go, well, it's going to cost $100 for us to even come look at it. I'm going, I'm on Social Security.
John retired from a life of rock and roll, traveling from city to city, setting up pyrotechnics for legendary musicians like Van Halen, Pink Floyd, and Kiss. And after a long life on the road, he settled down on a quiet street in Henderson. His career was fire, but this past summer proved too hot even for him.
I got a routine down where I'd turn my water on at like 5:30 in the morning when it's cool and fill the bathtub up and then turn the water back off. Try and sleep during the day and right at night. And it got pretty bad where I just like wet a sheet and just lay there and pant and go, this is not my idea of how my senior years were going to go.
We heard all the stuff that you're dealing with, and you know, we want to be there for you. We want to be there for the community and for our customers, so we're going to take care of it for free.
What does that feel like for you?
It doesn't even sink in. I'm just saying, huh? I mean, I actually passed out 2 days ago from the heat.
Because they're doing something special, we at the FOX5 Surprise Squad also want to do something special for you.
Whoa! Dumbfounded. Just when I wake up, I'm going to try and remember this.
I'm really grateful that we were able to take care of John and be able to have this opportunity.
It's a blessing.
And with John's AC now finally fixed, he was able to adopt a rescue dog. This is his new best friend, Raspy.